As this is the first lesson and we're going to start with the basics, by the time we are done with this course or this course for IGCSE computer science, you guys will know the fundamentals of computers and the software that controls them. However, until now, the basic building blocks of all computers is the same. And that, I should say, basic building block is the binary number system. So the basic building block for all computers up to date or all modern day computers is the binary number system. It's the basic building block of all computers or all modern day computers. Now before we talk about the main reason why it is the basic building block of all computers, let's talk about what it is. Now the binary number system is a system based on the number 2. Is a system based on the number 2. And when I mean 2, I don't mean the discrete value 2. I mean two values. And those two values are 0 and 1. So basically the binary number system is entirely based on these two values, 0 and 1. Now let's make a small diagram or a small representation of a computer. Okay, so let's say this is a computer. Okay, and now the reason why the binary number system is so suitable for computers, is that first of all, inside computers there is an exceedingly tremendous number of tiny switches. Now they aren't really switches, so I'll put them in they aren't really switches, so I'll put them in quotations. And these tiny switches must be in a state of on or off. So these tiny switches must be in a state of on or off, one of the two. Now if you take a few, maybe a few seconds, or I don't know how much time, you should be able to realize that this binary number system is actually very suitable for representing the on and off positions. The on position can be represented by 1, and the off position can be represented by 0. So each of these tiny switches, which controls a small action, is either on, which is either 1, or off, which is 0. So that is why the binary number system is actually, until now, the basic building block of all modern day computers. Now before we end this lesson, just a quick brief for the next lesson is that these two values, which are 0 and 1, the two values which the binary number system is entirely based on, are called binary digits. let's write down digits. And if you have 8 of these binary digits, for short, these we call them bits, so there you can call them binary digits or bits. If you have 8 of these binary digits put next to each other, it forms a byte. So I'll just draw a small diagram. So we have this, let's say we have again 8 bits, so 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. So we have over here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bits or binary digits, and since they have formed, or there are 8 bits, it has formed a byte.